can start a new drawing with one click, but it can even start 10 drawings at once. Say we have this rocket launch assembly. We can then find all components, with or without subcomponents, and see which components already have a drawing or which components still need a drawing. We can open an existing drawing in 1 second with Quick View, or open it normally in edit mode. When you click the plus icon, you start one new drawing. But when you click Start 10 Drawings, Drew starts up to 10 drawings for all components that have no drawing yet. This is a lifesaver when you have to create dozens or even hundreds of simple drawings. Now you can make quick changes, save the drawing with one click in the same folder as the part, close it and you're on to the next one.